Do you remember those mornings years ago when you'd wake up and your body would respond with full vitality? But after the age of 50, many men start to complain that those morning reactions have almost disappeared. Losing that natural strength doesn't just leave you disappointed, it can also chip away at your confidence and even affect family happiness. Are you experiencing this too? Let me know where you're from and share your thoughts in the comments below, because your story might be the same struggle thousands of other men are facing. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on important health tips, especially for men who want to maintain their natural strength safely and effectively. Before we get into the solutions, we need to understand something. An erection doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of a delicate, coordinated process between the brain, spinal cord, blood vessels, nerves, and muscles. When the brain sends a signal, nerves trigger the smooth muscles inside the penis to relax, allowing blood to rush in and stay trapped inside the chambers. The result? A strong erection. However, as you age, the blood vessels in the pelvic area lose elasticity, circulation weakens, and nerve signals become less responsive. Together, these changes cause morning erections to fade and lose their strength. The good news is, you don't need pills or risky procedures. With just a few minutes a day, by stimulating 5 specific pressure points, you can wake up your nervous system, restore blood flow, and rebuild the body's natural reflexes. One of the most important points older men should know is the base groove of the penis. This is where the shaft meets the pubic area, like a natural hinge where nerves and blood vessels cross. Many men don't realize that by simply stimulating this spot, the body can reactivate erection reflexes that have weakened over time. Why is the base groove so important? Just under that thin layer of skin lies a dense network of sensory nerves and blood vessels that feed directly into the erectile chambers. When you massage or press gently but correctly, you're not just touching the skin, you're sending activation signals to the brain and circulatory system. The result is stronger blood flow and sharper nerve response. Here's how to do it. Place your thumb directly on the base groove, while your other fingers support the shaft. Apply moderate pressure, then move in slow circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds. You may feel warmth spreading or a gentle fullness. That's blood moving into the tissues. If you keep this up daily, the sensation will become stronger and easier to achieve. The best time to practice is in the morning right after waking up, or after a warm shower when your body is already relaxed and blood vessels are open. For older men, patience is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't notice major changes right away. Think of it as part of your daily self-care routine. The good news is that with just 1 to 2 minutes a day on this first pressure point, you can already begin to wake up the pelvic blood vessels and nerves, laying the foundation for lasting improvement when combined with the other points. Many men don't realize one major reason erections weaken over time is because the pelvic floor muscles gradually lose strength with age. These muscles act like a sling, supporting the entire pelvic region, and their job is to keep blood trapped inside the penis. When they weaken, blood escapes too quickly, leading to erections that start but don't last. The second pressure point is the perineum, the soft tissue between the scrotum and the anus. It's often ignored, but in reality, it's like a hidden switch that can awaken the pelvic floor muscles. By pressing or massaging here, nerve signals activate the bulbospongiosus muscle, the main muscle responsible for holding blood in the erectile chambers. The result? Firmer and more reliable erections. To try this, sit comfortably or lie on your back with knees slightly apart. Use your index and middle fingers to press gently but firmly into the center of the perineum. Then move in slow circles for 2 to 3 minutes. You may feel warmth or a faint pulsing sensation traveling toward the penis. This means blood flow is improving. Next, the third pressure point is the pelvic floor itself, which you can train with simple Kegel exercises. Just imagine you're trying to stop urination midstream. Squeeze and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 2 or 3 sets daily. When combined with perineum massage, the effect doubles. You're stimulating the nerves while also strengthening the muscles. Here's the best part for older men. Training these 2 points doesn't just improve erections. It also helps with bladder control, reduces the risk of leakage, and strengthens overall pelvic health. That means better performance and a higher quality of life. Finally, the fifth pressure point is the lower abdomen, just above the pubic bone. This area is where major blood vessels and nerves pass before branching into the pelvis. As circulation slows with age, this region can become tight, restricting blood flow into the penis. Gentle massage here relaxes the muscles and encourages stronger circulation. It's simple. Place 2 or 3 fingers just above the pubic bone, press lightly, and move in slow circles for about 2 minutes. Combine this with deep, slow breathing to relax your body and maximize blood flow. You can do this in the morning or before bed as part of your self-care ritual. When you combine all 5 points, the base groove, the perineum, the pelvic floor muscles, the ridge under the glands, and the lower abdomen, you create a complete routine that stimulates nerves, boosts circulation, strengthens muscles, and restores sensitivity. Just 5 to 7 minutes a day consistently for 2 to 4 weeks can bring noticeable changes, waking up with renewed vitality, natural reflexes returning, and your confidence steadily rebuilding. Of course, this isn't a magic button that works overnight. Real results come from patience and healthy living. Drink enough water, eat plenty of vegetables, include zinc-rich foods like seafood and pumpkin seeds, and stay active with daily walks. These small habits, combined with the 5 pressure points, can improve not only your sexual health, but your overall well-being. Gentlemen, you don't have to accept weaker erections as a normal part of aging. You can reclaim your strength without pills or risky treatments. Try this routine, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more valuable health knowledge. Here's to staying strong, confident, and full of energy every day.